and welcome. Today we will learn about Google Collab. That is, what is Google Collab and how it works, what kind of interface it has, what kind of controls it has, and what kind of service it provides us. By using the Google Colab, you can use the basic Linux bash commands in it, and as you just work on your own personal computer, or you can write the Python code in Google Colab, or you can do the complex scientific jobs like artificial intelligence and machine learning, or deep learning tasks. And you can also use the bioinformatics uh, research work here. You can do the bioinformatics research work using the molecular dynamics simulation. You can run different sort of simulations using the Google Colab. And first of all, we will go to the link collab.research.google.com, and when we run this link, and we will get loaded with the Google Colab, and you will see the this sort of screen on your computer. And this is the main menu of the Google Colab interface. Here you have the file menu. You can see the different commands here, that you can create new notebook, open a notebook, and you can upload notebooks from your computer as well. You can save your work in the drive, G drive, Google Drive, or you can save your copy as a GitHub, or you can save your copy in GitHub as well, or simply you can save this notebook, or you can download these notebooks you created online. Similar, you have other interface. You when you work or in different IDEs, it provides you with different kinds of menus to help you complete your work. These are the menus. We will see later on what type of services this can create, and services this can provide to us. First of all, we will go to file menu and create a new notebook. Once your new notebook is loaded, you will see the new notebook like this. Here you can see your notebook. It is a blank notebook. I have already a session running here, and I will not continue on the notebook just I created. I will use these already being used. I will delete these cells and work from scratch. Here you can insert code cell here. Here you can type in the Python commands or Linux bash commands to work with Google Colab. You can perform the programming here. You can use Linux bash commands to run different tasks here. And first of all, we have created a code link here, to let's see how it works. We will type here a command here, lscpu. It is a bash command, and it will list the number of CPUs being used by the Google Colab. If we run this command, we will use control enter, and you can see it has run the command. And this command is displaying the information about the CPU, its architecture, its operation mode, and it is showing the byte order little endian. And the CPU it is being using, it has two number of CPUs. Google Colab uses two numbers of CPUs in free version, and the almost 48 or more CPUs if you get the paid version. And you can see the list of CPUs which are online, 0 and 1. You can see the per thread core. There are 2 cores per thread, core per socket 1, socket is 1. And you can see different details here, Gen 1 Intel CPU family, and you can see the Intel Xeon CPU at the speed 2.20 gigahertz. This is the type of information it provides when you type in the command lscpu. It also provides you with the GPU option if you want to do the complex scientific jobs which takes time and a huge CPU load. For that, you can go to edit menu and go to the notebook setting. Here you can see there is option available for the GPU and the TPU. You can choose between CPU or TPU. Once you are loaded with the CPU, you can get the CPU, GPU information as well, and you can work using the GPU as well. You can type different commands here. If I want to delete this cell, we can delete this cell from here. We can create new cells here. We can create text cells here. We just for information we will type here the following cell will demonstrate a simple uh, Linux or bash command. Next we will create another cell, coding cell, using alt enter. You can see a cell has been created. Here we will type the command ls, just as we type in Linux or in the bash, and we will run it control enter. We will press control enter, and you can see it's showing the current working directory is it's the sample data. You can simply change the directory by typing in the new command. I will type the alt enter and create a new cell. Here I will type a command cd, and I will load the root directory, and I will run this command control enter. You can see it has loaded the root directory. Now I can check the what type of material this directory has, or what type of other folders it contains. I can create another cell, and here I will type ls command to list the various directory structures or directories available here. Ls command, and I will run this control enter. Press the control enter, and you can see that these are the different directory structures available. See, this is how this works in on the commands, bash commands. It allows you need not to do any kind of configuration, and you just continue working as just you work on your PC, personal computer, and you can perform this kind of task on your mobile phone, cell phone, on the move when you are moving or you are at your home. You can perform anywhere, any computer. You can use this Google Collab. This is very unique and nice facility available to everyone who want to work online. Here I will delete these cells, and I will try to write some Linux commands here, like if we type a simple command, it's print, and we type some welcome message or welcome to Python world, and we will run this command control enter. Let's see, is it working or not? Yes, it's working. It's executing the Python code as well. You can do the we will create another cell, and we will create some variable. For example, first number is equal to some value, and result is equal to first number plus second number. These are two values, and we will here print the result. We should work. This is a simple Python code just for demo purpose, and we will run it. Control enter. Let's see. Yeah, it's working and it has given us the result. This is how we use the Collab and how the different programming tasks we can carry out here. This is the simple program we have written in Python. We can run the Linux commands here. We can use molecular dynamic simulations and all types of software we can load here for machine learning and artificial intelligence. And it is very useful to work here, and we can save our notebooks for future collaboration and working online. We can collaborate with our friends and professionals all over the world, and this is very useful for, and when we can conclude our work in an easy way. This is very useful feature provided by the Google, and this collab helps the scientists all around the world to work together. Thanks for watching this video and kindly like this video. Goodbye.